How to troubleshoot failed transactions in Zengo wallet. Are you facing issues to troubleshoot failed transaction history in Zengo wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. If a transaction fails in your Zengo wallet, start by checking your internet connections as unstable networks can interrupt the sending process. Next, review the transaction details. Ensure the receiving address is correct and that you have enough funds, including network fees. If the network fees were too low, your transaction may be stopped or rejected. You can also monitor blockchain confirmations directly within the app or through a block explorer. If issues persist, try restarting the app or updating it from the App Store or Google Play. For unresolved errors, contact Zengo support through the app site, providing a transaction ID or any relevant screenshots for quicker help. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to troubleshoot failed transaction history in Wallet. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.